Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to upload a PDF file to Mailchimp quickly and easily. Whether you're sharing a newsletter, a brochure, or a lead magnet, we'll guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the mailchimp.com and sign up. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see campaigns. This is where you manage your email campaigns. Next, click the Create Campaign button on the top right corner. Choose Email from the drop down options. Give your campaign a name and click Begin. Now you'll be in the campaign builder. Click on Design Email to start designing your email. Then choose a template that suits your needs. Once you're in the email designer, you can start editing the content blocks. To add a link to your PDF, you need to upload it first, so do that. Click on the link icon in any text block where you want to add the link to your PDF. In the link option, click on Web Address. Then click on File Manager to upload your PDF. Once uploaded, click on the PDF file to select it. Then click Insert at the bottom right. You'll see the URL of your PDF in the link option. Now, you can add link text like download our brochure and click Insert. Your PDF link is now in your email. You can continue designing your email or preview it to see how it looks. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF to Mailchimp and added it to your email campaign. When your subscribers receive the email, they can click the link and download the PDF. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.